from the game, she was spitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to cheat. Conversation got heavy.